Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to stretch text in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Stretching text in Adobe Express can serve several creative and practical purposes depending on your design needs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section. You can browse thousands of amazing and inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content, just click on this button right here and start your own design. In my case, I am working with this specific design. And basically here in Adobe Express, they don't have the stretch text feature. All right. But we can achieve a similar effect by going to the add a text here. This one. All right. We're going to add a text. Say, for example, this. Now I'm going to change the color so you guys can see it and put in a border so it pops out a little bit. Now for you to be able to create a text, there is only a crop feature wherein you can resize the text right here and of course stretch it all the way to your screen. So these are going to be some of your limited options. All right. But all we can do is we can basically manually put a spacing for every letters so that it's kind of like having a stretch effect to the design that you are working. All right, because Adobe Express doesn't have the normal feature for stretching text like maybe you are familiar with other applications or software that you are using. And from here, you might wanna again resize this. For example, extending it all the way through your design. All right. So once you have achieved that, for example, like this, if you're satisfied with how it looks, maybe put in a little bit of space here. Right. You might want to click on the download button to download this stretch text effect that you have created in your Adobe Express via these amazing formats. And if you want to share this amazing design to your boss or client, just click on the share option. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.